Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning, Friday here in Toronto. I think it's Friday. I'm tired. So yeah, it's Friday morning. I woke up early, went to the gym, did my workout, came back. I recorded a yoga flow. If you are new here, every day I post a yoga flow here on the channel. So it would be a good idea to subscribe, just saying. So yeah, I already did that, and now it's time to start the day. I don't know what the day will bring to us. I don't know why I said to us. Yes, to us, because I'm bringing you with me today. So yeah, I don't know what to expect of this day. I don't have much plans aside to work and to share my day with you. So let's get started by making some coffee. It's that time when we say goodbye to Christmas and pack up the decorations. It might feel a bit sad, but think of it as making room for new, exciting things in our lives. Putting away the holiday stuff isn't just about cleaning our homes. It's also about clearing our minds and getting ready for fresh ideas and plans. Each decoration we put away holds a special memory, and now we make space for new ones. In the kitchen, it's time for cooking healthy meals again. This is our way of taking care of ourselves, eating food that makes us feel good and full of energy. Let's not forget, every ending is a start to something new. As we move past Christmas, let's enjoy our regular days and find happiness in small things. So last Friday I shared with you some tips for a Friday night fun, I would say, when we want to cook like fun food, as I like to call these type of foods, like finger foods or foods that we enjoy while we are watching a movie. So last Friday I showed you how to make guacamole. I showed how to make a healthier option of chicken wings. And I remember saying that we were eating processed nachos because those are the only ones we had. And I promised you that I would at least try to make them at home. So today is the day when we are going to try, because I'm bringing you with me, because if it is a mess, I need company. So I'm gonna try to make them at home to see if we can do it. I have a tortilla maker. Actually, it's a crepe slash tortilla maker that I bought a few months ago, that I tried, but it was not that good, and then I gave up for a while, and I decided to try again to do it, because the first time I tried with whole wheat flour. I always try to do everything that I can with whole wheat flour, but maybe for the first time I should have tried the classical recipe so I can get used with the device. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try the traditional recipe that comes with the device and see what happens. I already told you, if you are not new here, you probably heard me saying that sometimes it's not about changing the ingredients. Of course, we can try to have the healthiest ingredients as possible, but just by not buying something and doing it at home, we are already making progress. It's already a gain. So that's what we are going to do today. Instead of buying processed nachos, I'm gonna do them from scratch. And that's a good way to start. Don't try to make the things as healthiest as possible. Don't try to change the ingredients the first time you try it. Just try to make it at home with the same ingredients that they are normally made, and you are already doing something good for you and for your family. So let's try it. So last week when we had guacamole, I prepared chicken wings as well. And chicken is a source of protein, and I always make sure that we have protein in all of our meals. And because we are not making the chicken wings today, we don't have the protein from the chicken. To solve this problem, I am gonna add some tuna to the guacamole. This is a trick I like to do. I actually showed it already on Instagram once and people love it. It's an easy way to add protein to the guacamole, actually to any dip. I would say if you are making a dip at home, you can add a little of tuna and you are going to add like free protein, as I like to say. So that's what we are going to do tonight. Let's keep up with our healthy habits and welcome all the good things each day brings. Here's to loving our normal days and finding joy in every moment. Namaste.